This is where I lose the gooseneck cover. You'll notice here, Gordy veers to the right because it's a steeper spot, and then I'm like, I'm gonna go even further. I'm not gonna let the little Liberty show up the big flat bed. And that's where I made the mistake. Hey, it's your Joy Boat. It's your boy Joey. This is the end to the second video. I should have put in the little clip there of the jump crash landing. I don't have any video or footage being there. Stuck. I was at the top of the hill. The Pixel 3 broke off this mount. Camera was right there on this tripod thing. Didn't stick there very well, but whatever. Anyways, the damage. The grill almost popped out. Both mirrors folded back like that, or forwards, whatever you want to say. Yeah, this mirror's broken. We want to talk about that. This fender got pushed into the cab. Everything else on the outside seems to be okay. Maybe not. This doesn't look lined up right. I don't know. But let's pop this hood open so you can really see. The front tires were basically buried. The front and this thing was filled with sand. That's how straight down into the sand it went. And just like, look at all this sand. It's ridiculous. My air filter, I'm gonna take apart and show you how much sand is in there. But this was saying it was 100% used. And this battery broke out of the mount. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah. And like sand in the AC orifices. Just sand everywhere. So let me get a screwdriver and open this up. All right, let's see how this looks. Well, that's not so bad. It looks like my tape job did a pretty decent job. I'll have to pull this off and dump that out. We taped the bottom of this because there's holes that always put in a ton of sand. But oh yeah, that's real good for my filter. I think we're going to have to look into a different filter and a thing to go over it, pre-filter, to keep the sand out. But we did new things. Went through the mud, found some water, went through the trees. I don't have any footage of that, sadly. Didn't think about it, but you know, whatever. And at 9 psi, the tires really rub. Like, this is all fresh right here. So I did want to go 37s, but I don't think that's gonna happen until I get a lift. And the long travel kit will move the tires forward more, so I don't have to cut the cab up, which would be good. And this side did the same, and you can see it actually pulled this up, and this is all shiny, this is all shiny. This was really rubbing. This A-arm got bent a little bit. I don't know. Still drives fine, so we're not worried. We're gonna get it cleaned up, get that pin in there. I have to find mine. I bought a whole bunch of them. And then, yeah, edit this video, edit the other video, and yeah. Planning another trip in about a month. I have a friend that's coming with. She's gonna take her Nissan Juke. It's all-wheel drive. We'll see how it goes. And we both were like, you know, we see all these stock cars going out there. She should be able to get out there and get out to the beach and get back out, and if not, the flatbed should be able to drag her out. And when she wants to do some fun stuff, you know, she can hop in the flatbed. She wants to take her kids, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, yeah. Peace out, have fun. And yeah. I feel okay. Truck feels alright, so no worries.